There are places in this world that remind you what it truly means to be alive. Places where the noise of the world disappears, where time slows, and your thoughts fall completely silent. Benwiskin is one of those rare places. Standing here feels like standing on the edge of the earth. Between sky and stone, between chaos and calm. The ridge rises sharp against the horizon, a spine of rock carved by centuries of wind and rain. The clouds drift slow and heavy above it, as if they too pause to admire what nature has created. The wind doesn't just blow here, it lives here. It roars across the summit like a wild spirit, testing your balance, your courage, your will to stay. Every gust feels like a question from the mountain itself. How much do you really want to be here? The air bites your skin, the cold presses deep into your bones, and yet there's peace. Because in that battle between strength and surrender, something inside you quiets down. You stop thinking, you stop rushing, and you simply exist, fully, completely, beautifully. The view doesn't look real. It's like the earth decided to paint its own masterpiece, a moving ocean of light and shadow. Hills and valleys fade into the blue. The sun slides through drifting clouds. And for a moment, the entire world feels like a dream you never want to wake from. I had more batteries. I could have flown again, captured more, stayed longer. But sometimes perfection doesn't need more. Sometimes 20 minutes in the air are enough to remind you of everything you've forgotten. How fragile life is, how powerful peace can be, how lucky you are just to breathe this air. Benwiskin isn't just a ridge, it's a teacher, carved in stone. It tells you that no storm lasts forever, that every wind eventually softens, every shadow eventually fades, and that real strength is not about resisting the wind. It's about standing within it. Up here, you learn that the world doesn't owe you comfort. It gives you challenge, beauty, silence, and asks only that you notice. And when you finally stop trying to control everything, when you let go, the mountain gives something back, clarity. And if you ever feel lost, come here. Stand where the clouds meet the stone. Let the wind challenge you. Let the silence speak to you. And let this view remind you that life, at its best, doesn't always look real. Because it isn't meant to. It's meant to be felt. This is Above the Clouds.